Thutha wa thibitari nyanya kumenyekana ni ikoretwo ikihuthira wara na kungumia kigina ruhonge-ini rwa NHIF kuhitukira motungata morigitani na ministry ya ugima wa mwiri gwathana thibitari ici hingwo na ithamie arwaru na arugamiriria nene a NHIF kuma icigo-ini iria thibitari iciri onao kurugamia wira ti thibitari ciothe ihingite. Thibitari cia Jakim Medical Center na Jakim Hospital kaunti-ini ya Meru ni irikitie kuhinga na guthamia arwaru aria marari nao na makaneana maratathi maria marabatarania gutafanio thuthuria. Nacio thibitari cia Afya Bora Hospital na Afya Bora Hospital Annex Mwea kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga onacio ni irikitie kuhingwo kuri arwaru nio maramenyithirie family ciao imagire thibitari ni urahingwo.
Akatupigia simu akatuambia wameambiwa watoke kwa hospitali haraka na akuwa amepona. So nilipindi tutoke Embu nikuje baka huku nichukue mgonjwa wangu.
No thibitari uyu ni worotetwo kumana na uregenyuku Jude Wanjiku kumadia ari umwe wa andu aria matigitwo na wonje thutha wa kurigitirwo thibitari-ini uyu akiuga na kadi yake ya NHIF ikoretwo ikirutwo besha mugaru na watho maita matatu.
Ndathire ngiorio nie ngiuga thina wa kuguru gwakwa ni gutura maguru ngiro ni ngukithondeko no nie ngikoma kou ndakoma gatondo ndirekiro ndawa theco na cindano iru riu njikiro ndawa no ngiukira kiroko ndakorio ndi mukure makombe makwa ma maguru makuguru kumwe kwa right.
No umwe wa thibitari uria tucereire na njira ya hitho wa St Peter's Orthopedic and Surgical Speciality Center MIHANG'O no irathie na mbere o ta mutugo na kurumirira KANJU ya GUTHURIMA na kunyabara MIRUTIRE ya WIRA ya MATHIBITARI KMPDC hamwe na bodi ya Pharmacy and Poisons Board gwathwo mambike uthuthuria wigie mathibitari maya na kuheana riboti thutha wa mathaa 48. Murugamiriri munene wa KMPDC Dr. David Kariuki augite ni marikitie kwambika uthuthuria uyu.
We already have started our investigations, and as we speak we have a team of our experts and colleagues from our other regulatory bodies in the health sector, including NHIF, on the ground checking so that we can be able to respond to that later.
Na kurumirira ndeto egie uria arwaru mwena wa Meru kigina kia ngumirio kuhitukira kadi ciao cia NHIF hindi ya urigitani utari marihi. Dr. Kariuki augite thibitari ici ni ciagararire watho wa gutabania urigiti utari marihi amu matiarumirire mutaratara uria urumagirirwo niguo mundu aheo license.
These facilities had not requested for medical camp licenses from us. For anyone who would want to hold a medical camp, they apply to us for a license that should be clearly displayed in the facility where they are conducting the camp. And the process actually also starts by them getting what we call a no objection from the county government. We need to be informed of who takes responsibility as the head of the clinical or health services that will be provided, their qualifications.
Kariuki ogereire ati ni megukorwo makinyitanira na thirikari cia kaunti niguo gutigirira urigiti utari marihi ni warumirira mutaratara.
In the event that anyone has a complaint against a way they were treated either by a practitioner or a hospital, we are always open.
Wagwetererwo ni riboti egie uria thibitari ici ciahotire kungumia kigina ruhonge-ini rwa NHIF na oho makinya make watho maria megutacukirio. Gerifotera KMPDC ni njitagwo Wangui wa Mwiruri.